Good morning, this is Jeannie, and today I wanted to put together a little repurposing a wreath. You know I love to repurpose things, so this is an old put together boxwood wreath that I have. I made it myself a few years ago with just a Walmart small, like a 12-inch grapevine, and I took some boxwood pieces from an old boxwood wreath that had broken, and anyway, it's kind of been used several times, but it's still okay. So what I wanted to do, when we went to market a couple of weeks ago, I saw the cutest arrangement, and it was like a wreath. It had some purple flowers on it, and it had two chocolate bunnies sitting in it. So I've got the picture of it, I think, on my iPad. As you can see it, how cute that is. Back several years ago, Raz came out with these really cute chocolate bunnies, and we had them at Trendy Tree, and I don't know how I let them get away from me without saving some for myself. But anyway, they're coming back in style now, and of course this was at market, and any of those products that are ordered at market won't be coming in until, this summer. So I thought, well, it won't be long till they'll be putting real chocolate bunnies out. And I was thinking about making it and actually putting in a couple of real chocolate bunnies. So anyway, they're not out yet, but I have these two bunnies that I got at probably Hobby Lobby several years ago. So I'm going to just take this wreath and add in some of the lavender and then fix these bunnies where they'll sit in there like that. So anyway, I got a bush. I don't know what it's called because I didn't write it down, but it's kind of a light lavender color, and I've gone ahead and cut this one apart. The number, I've got another one. I didn't know how many it would take, so I brought out two, but the number is 32021-PU, which is their purple. So I've got an extra one if one is not enough. And then I got this branch or bush. It's a little darker purple, and it's 83416 PU. Now, Taylor said something the other day in a video about a bush being a push or not, and I don't know what she's talking about. But anyway, what it is, the stems are kind of long, but you're able to push that greenery or flower or whatever up to make like a thicker little bundle of flowers at the top. If you want to. Now you might, that's what's called a pusher. This particular one is not like that. It's made all in one piece. So I really hadn't thought about it being a difference. But anyway, I didn't know which one I would use, so I'm gonna start with this one. And I'm not using any hot glue because I'm just making this for me. If I was making it for somebody else, yes, I would use hot glue, but I'm not. So the way I like to do is, of course, you can see some of I did use hot glue when I made this wreath, but like I say, that's been several years ago, and it's, some pieces fall out. Every time I hang it on the door or handle it, some pieces fall out. That's okay. So I've got these pieces, and I'm just gonna kind of stick those in the grapevine, and like I say, not using any hot glue. I just want to give that little bit of lavender color. So I'm just going to go around the wreath. Just work that into the grapevine, because I'll probably take these out come fall and, make something else. And I'll speed this video up so you don't have to watch me go all the way around and get the idea. So now I just push these into the grapevine, and I probably have some sticking out on the back side. This is not going to go on a door. It's going to go inside a basket, so I'm not worried about that. So I used 2 of the bushes. I decided against this one because the stems are pretty long. Well, I think I will. Let's go ahead and use it too. All right, so there's 11 of those. So I'm gonna kind of decide how I'm gonna put them to keep it kind of even. Just kind of spacing it out. Okay. It's just a little brighter purple. These will probably be easier to add with a little hot glue because the stems are longer. But it's giving it a little more airy look because of the longer stems. Okay, so, well anyway, so now we've added in a little more purple, and the longer stems kind of made it have a kind of a more airy look. And now I'm going to take it, and I have a basket in the foyer, and I'm going to place that in the basket, and then get something to, like a riser, to put in the center. Well, the rabbits might sit up there, but I don't know how well, oh, they might sit up there okay, like that. Now, I'm gonna take these little ribbons off the rabbit and see if I've got anything that's a lavender or purple. That one has lavender on it, but it's kind of an old ribbon. We'll put them there like that. All right, and I'll show you how it looks when we get it finished. Thanks for watching. Okay, well there it is after I finished it. Popped my little bunnies on it, and I found some little Easter eggs to put in there, and I like the way it turned out.